Sylvan's here at the Harlingen Housing Authority providing a STEM demo. They'll be learning engineering, mathematics, how to build robots, bridges. It's very important. It gives them an idea of what they want to do in their future when they graduate from high school.
I feel that our children would benefit with the services that Sylvan provides. What happens is our children are not exposed to a lot of the things that you will be teaching our children or showing our children. A lot of it is academic that they get in school, and then we do have an after-school program, but it's more of a tutoring for homework. And so this is something that will help our children in the different areas of mathematics, problem solving, communication, things that sometimes we don't get at school.
I've noticed that the kids do seem to enjoy it. They do ask a lot of questions because they're not privy to it at home or at the schools. So this is an experience for them, and they actually enjoy doing it. They enjoy when we come, when they see us, they get excited. So just today alone, I've already seen kids making comments that they did like it, telling their parents that they want to come back again.
Today we started building. I really liked it because I never had an experience. Now that I'm starting, I feel like I'm into it now. I really like it today. I hope we could do it in the summer.